Hi friends, just a quick update on our garden. We've been getting a lot of rain and I just wanted to show you this certain area in my garden where I created some swales. And this is the reason why I recommend having some kind of swale or a similar system in your garden, because it is very useful, especially when you get a lot of rain. So earlier, that area, and you can still see the water that's from the rain that we got this morning. And this corner of the garden is a catchment area which I designed to hold the water. So because of this system, my plants do not drown in the rainwater. See, if you look at that, they are thriving. Although we are done harvesting the main heads of the broccoli, but you can tell that the plants are liking where they are planted. You see all of those spinach, or not spinach, sorry, Swiss chard. Okay, Swiss chard, the Swiss chards are looking great. And then we have some cauliflower. They have not formed any cauliflower yet, but the plants are also very healthy. And let's move over here where we have not planted anything yet. I have just been waiting for the right time to plant this. I'll be planting these two beds with hot peppers. I think cayenne and serrano or jalapeno will be planted in here. But look at all of this water, and this the ground will just absorb this water, and because there's a lot of moisture in this area, I'm not gonna have to water this part of my garden for at least a couple of days. And then you might be wondering, well, what happens when we get too much rain that this space couldn't hold the water anymore? So when I designed this, I also created a drainage. So it's right there, there's a small drain, and then so the water will just drain that way, and we'll go down another part of the garden. So this is a very good system, and I highly recommend creating swales in your garden. That's gonna be all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Happy gardening!